Hey guys, Roland with Impress Computers, and today I've got a good friend with me, Apryl from EzeeFiber, and we're going to be talking about high-speed internet connections. If you have a business and you're in the Houston area but you're struggling with slow internet speeds or your internet keeps dropping, going with a fiber connection with a gig speeds is going to dramatically improve the performance and productivity of your employees. So Apryl, tell me a little bit about EzeeFiber and how you can get such a high-speed connection to those places.
Sure. Thank you, Roland. We have been in business in the Houston area for 35 years, operating under a different name. We just decided to open up to the commercial market in August of 2021. And how we're able to deliver speeds at such an economic rate is we own the network from beginning to end. So we can do anything from a gig, 2 gigs, or even 10 gigs, depending on what your needs are. And like Roland said, it is really, really important not just to have a fast speed to the outside world, but to also secure it with a good partner like Impress Computers.
Because once you get your high speed, obviously we need to make sure that you're protected against the cybersecurity attacks that are on the increase in the US at the moment. So if you need high-speed internet and you need a reliable team of professionals standing behind your network to protect you, then give us a call at Impress Computers or EzeeFiber and we'll get you connected. Thank you.